MathCast number 1, Intended Audience, Grade 1, Module 6, Topic B, Lesson 3. The learning objective is to use the place value chart to record and name tens and ones within a two-digit number up to 100. Created by Susie Erck. Let's begin with some vocabulary. The first term is place value. That is the value of the location of a digit in a number. If we look at the number 113, the location of the digit 3 has a place value of 1. The next term is the base 10 system. That is a system of counting that has only 10 digits. The digits used are 0 through 9. The final term is base 10 units. These are made when grouping 10 units together. Let's practice some problems using place value. First, let's understand the picture. There are bundles of grapes and there are also single grapes. The question is asking us to write the tens and ones and to complete the statement. First, let's look at the bundles of grapes. We can tell that there are 10 grapes in each bundle. This would be seen as a base 10 unit because there are 10 single grapes that make the one bundle of grapes. This is because you cannot have a digit higher than 9 in the base 10 system. If we only had 9 single grapes, that would not make a bundle of 10 because 9 can be still written as units or in the ones place. Now we can look at the single grapes. If we count, we see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single grapes. They are single grapes and not a bundle of grapes because there is not 10 of them. Now let's count the bundles of grapes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bundles of grapes. Because we have 8 bundles of 10 grapes, the 8 would be in the tens place. So it would go right here. Now, if we look at the ones place, we see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single grapes left over. Those single grapes are part of the ones place. Therefore, we have a total of 86 grapes. Okay, so this problem is pretty similar to the last one. First, let's understand the picture. We're looking at pens, and we have single pens, and we also have a box of 10 pens all together. The question is asking us to write the tens and ones and to complete the statement. Because these boxes contain 10 pens each, it's a base 10 unit because there are 10 single pens that make up the one box of 10 pens. This is again due to the fact that in the base 10 system, you cannot have a digit of higher than 9. Therefore, if there were 9 single pens, they would stay as the ones place and not make a bundle of 10. But if there were 10 single pens, these 10 pens would bundle together to make a new bundle of 10. Next, let's look at the single pens. If we count, we see 1, 2. There's only 2 single pens, and this would not result in a new bundle because you would need to have 10. Therefore, these 2 pens will stay and make up the ones place. So we'll put a 2 in the ones place. Next, we'll look at the bundles of 10. We see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bundles of 10. Therefore, a 5 would go in the tens place, making the number 52 pens. This is because there are 5 bundles of 10 plus 2 extra, making the answer 50 plus 2 to equal 52 pens. This is our final example. Again, the question is asking us to write the tens and ones and to complete the statement. First, let's understand the picture. We have necklaces and we also have single beads. If we look at the completed necklaces, we notice that there are 10 beads on each completed necklace. We know that this is a base 10 unit because there are 10 beads that make up one unit. If we count the number of completed necklaces we notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 completed necklaces. Since each necklace has 10 beads, we would have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 to equal 40 beads. Therefore, since we have 4 completed necklaces, the 4 would go in the tens place. Next, we look at our single beads. We have 1, 2, 3 single beads. Therefore, the 3 would go in the ones place. We would have 40 beads plus 3 single beads to equal 43 total beads. And that is how we use place value to record and name tens and ones within a 2-digit number up to 100.